welcome to today's video. So those who are asking of the placement, if you go to the website where you can check your placement, so this is how the website is. The website is not live, okay? So this website will be live when the placements are released, okay? So if you have checked your results and you're waiting for the placement, you just have to take your time and wait for the website to be live, okay? So if you go to this website yourself, csSPS.gov.gh, this is the official website. You can search it on Google and this is what you are going to see. You see this site can't be reached, okay? So check if there is a typo in CSSPS, but there is no typo in this. So let's wait for the placement to be released. And also, before you can check, you need a placement voucher to check it. So make sure you get a placement voucher for the checking of the placement, and you can link me up for placement voucher. I will update you when the website is live. Thank you. See you in the next video.